Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Builders Academy, your ultimate hub for exploring the most powerful AI tools. If you love creating with AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Today, we're diving into the top 4 free AI music generators of 2025. Tools that can help you create original songs, instrumentals, and even vocals, all powered by artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create music from scratch and publish it online. First up is Suno AI. This is a game changer for anyone who wants full songs with vocals and lyrics. Here's how it works. 1. Go to Suno.ai and create a free account. 2. Choose the genre and mood of your song. 3. Enter your lyrics or let AI generate them for you. 4. Hit generate and within minutes, you'll have a fully produced song. Suno AI is perfect if you want your tracks to sound like they were created by professional artists. Next, we have Udio. Udio allows you to create high-quality music across multiple genres, from pop and rap to EDM and R&B. Steps to get started. 1. Visit udio.com and sign up for a free account. 2. Pick your vocal style and instruments. 3. Input your song ideas or let AI compose the melody. 4. Download your track and it's ready to use. Udio is ideal for creators who want songs that feel professional and original. Our third tool is Boomy. This one is super beginner-friendly and fast. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up at boomy.com. 2. Select your style and tempo. 3. Let AI generate a song in seconds. 4. Publish directly to Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube. Boomy is perfect for content creators who want ready-to-publish songs quickly without any prior music knowledge. Finally, we have AIVA, the ultimate AI for instrumentals and cinematic music. How to start. 1. Go to AIVA.ai and create a free account. 2. Choose your composition style, orchestra, piano, or soundtrack. 3. Let AI generate the music and customize it to your needs. AIVA is amazing if you're creating background music for films, games, or YouTube videos. And that's a wrap on the top 4 free AI music generators of 2025. Whether you're looking for full songs with vocals, fast tracks, or cinematic instrumentals, these tools have got you covered. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tutorials, reviews, and tips, make sure to subscribe to AI Builders Academy, hit that like button, and share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.